Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to continue problems. So read the problems. Fifth question. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the planes which passes through the point 1, 0, minus 2, and the normal to the plane is I plus j minus k. So this is belonging to theorem number 2. We know that equation of the plane passing through the point and perpendicular to vector to the plane is r bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0. In Cartesian form, a bracket x minus x1 plus b bracket y minus y1 plus c bracket z minus z1 is equal to 0. I will show the first question. In the same manner, we have to solve second problem. So what are the required here? Firstly, we have to take. So point is given. Let A bar be the position vector of the point A, x1, y1, z1 is equal to 1, 0, minus 2. This is the point. With respect to origin, then OA bar, nothing but A bar equals in vector form I plus 0 into j minus 2 into k. And next normal vector is given. Normal vector. Let us take normal vector to the plane n bar, take here. N bar is equal to I plus j minus k. That is drs are 1, 1, minus 1. Drs, coefficients we have to take. Next r bar be the any position vector. Let r bar be the position vector of the point P, any point it is, x, y, z. Then r bar equals x into I plus y into j plus z into k. We have all values a, n, r vector. So asking first question, vector form. So what is the equation of a plane? So vector form, equation of a plane. Of the plane is formula r bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0. Substitute here, r bar is xi plus yj, xi plus y into j plus z into k minus a bar is I bar minus 2k bar dot n bar. N bar is what? I plus j minus k equals 0. So this is the vector equation of a plane. Further, if you want, we can simplify like this. If I take I common, we get open the brackets, x minus 1 into I, x minus 1 into I plus y into j plus z plus 2 into k dot I plus j minus k equals 0. Okay, this is the vector equation of a plane passing through the point and perpendicular to vector. Now asking one more thing, Cartesian form. So now we have to take Cartesian form formula. Cartesian form formula, we know that equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is, what is the formula? A bracket x minus x1 plus b bracket y minus y1 plus c bracket z minus z1 is equal to 0. Substitute ABC value. ABC meaning dr's of a normal vector to the plane. So this implies A is 1 bracket x minus x1 1 plus b is 1 bracket y minus y1 plus c value how much, that is minus 2 bracket z minus c value minus 1, c is minus 1 bracket z minus 2 becomes plus 2 equals 0. Simplify, x minus 1 plus y minus z minus 2 equals 0. Final equation, x plus y minus z minus 3 equals 0. This is required equation of a plane in the Cartesian form. This is in vector form. Okay, if you simplify that, we are getting same answer here. So like we have to do it, any question in the vector and Cartesian form, if point and normal vector to the plane is given, these two are given, we have to apply this is. Remember everyone. So remember, what is the remembering here? Equation of a plane passing through the point and perpendicular vector is given. Vector form r bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0. Very important formula. Cartesian form is a bracket x minus x1 plus b bracket y minus y1 plus c bracket z minus z1 equals 0. Cleared? Now I am going to next model. Okay, same model problem. Second question is given, do yourself. Question number 6. Find the equation of the plane that passes through 3 points. These three are called non-collinear points. Collinear meaning what? It means lie on the same. But here these all will be different. So these are non-collinear points. Okay, to show the plane equation, if 3 points are non-collinear, we proved theorem number 3. That is in vector form or Cartesian form, which form is given? Not given. So we should follow one form. That is easy method what? Cartesian form. That is determinant of x, y, z, right, always. X, y, z, x3, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. In first column, subtract x1. Second column, subtract y1. Third column, subtract z1. Okay. So now I will give the problem here. So question number 6th one A. Let take the points A, x1 y1 z1, 1 1 minus 1, b x2 y2 z2, that is 6 4 minus 5, c x3 y3 z3 equals minus 4 minus 2 3. Okay, now formula we have to take. Required equation of a plane, that is equation of a plane is, this is, remember, non-collinear points formula. Determinant of, first we are writing x, here x2, here what, x3, subtract first column x1 x1 x1, second row y, y1 y, y2 y3, second column, subtract y1. So just for convenient logic only, y1 y1. Third one, z minus z1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1 equals 0. Okay, this is the formula, remember. Substitute here, this becomes x minus 1, y minus 1, z plus 1. Next, 6 minus 1, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Next, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5, 4, okay, 4 minus 1, oh, that is minus 4, minus 1, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, 3 plus 1, 4 is equal to 0. Also we can write shortly, simply without simplifying, x minus 1, y minus 1, z plus 1, 5, 3, minus 4. In the third row, I take the minus common, it becomes 5, 3, minus 4 is equal to 0. So we get what? Observing in determinant, any two columns or two rows equal, the value of the determinant will be 0. So this is 0 is equal to 0. So here determinant value is 0. It means, observing, these are collinear points. If the points are collinear, there will be infinite number of planes passing through the given points. Remember all of you. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. But we didn't get the equation. Okay, that means here, if A, B, C are collinear, there will be infinite number of planes, passing through given points. So all of you remember, this concept is very important. If the determinant is 0, the points are collinear points. If the points are collinear or coplanar, there will be infinite number of planes passing through the given points. Means we do not get a single unique plane, it means. So there are infinite number of planes passing through the given points. Okay, na? This is the problem number A. Shall I take the problem number B? Okay, I will take the problem number B. So see here all of you, second question here. So take the points, let us take. A is equal to 1, 1, 0. B is equal to 1, 2, 1. C is equal to minus 2, 2, minus 1. These are the non-collinear points. I want equation of the plane. This is the formula. I substitute here. So equation of the plane is determinant of x minus x1 is what? 1, y minus 1, z minus 0. Next x2 minus x1, subtract 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0, 1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3, 2 minus 1. Very carefully take the points. If we disturbed here, we are getting the wrong answer. So here beginners, they are doing more, okay, na, wrong. So do practicing important. 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 is equal to 0. Now simplify. This implies determinant form x minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Next symbol changed. Minus of y minus 1 into 0 plus 3 plus z minus 0 into 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. We get, simplify, open the brackets, minus 2x plus 2 minus 3y plus 3 plus 3z, z is equal to 0. So final answer, minus 2x minus 3y plus 3z plus 5 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. If given 3 non-collinear points, using this formula we have to find out equation of a plane. In CET classes also we are doing same procedure there. It is enough. Suppose if that is equal to 0, what do you say? That there will be infinite number of planes passing through the given points. Followed this one. So based on theorem number 3. So these all are different forms of a plane equations. Now I am going to the question number 7. Seventh question, let us see. Find the intercept. Okay, na? Find the intercepts cut off by the plane. So intercept form, firstly we have to learn what is the equation of a plane in the intercept form. If you remember two-dimensional geometry, we can as easily remember 3D chapter. So equation of a plane in 3-dimensional, x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. So firstly we have to bring in the form of intercept form. So what is the given plane here? So given plane is 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5. Okay. So if not like this means also, firstly you have to take the positive constant on right side. Hereafter divide by constant on both sides. On both sides divide by 5. It is changed like this. 2x upon 5 plus y upon 5 minus z upon 5 equals 5 divided by 5. Simplify. This can be x coefficient should be 1 like that. So we should write this one, x upon 5 by 2 plus y upon 5 plus z upon minus 5 is equal to 1. So this is called intercept form. Okay, which is called intercept form. So remember all of you. So intercept form, that is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c. So where a is equal to what? X intercept 5 by 2. B is what? B meaning y intercept 5. z-intercept minus 5. So this is the C value. So z-intercept meaning C. Remember all of you, this is the intercept form model. Here some people they are asking, find the sum of intercepts in CET classes. They are going to like that only. Or length of the intercepts, sum of the length of the intercepts. So adding only we are getting the sum of the length of the intercepts. So like different questions are asking in the CET level. So next question number 8. Question number 8, observe that find the equation of the plane with intercept 3 on the y-axis and parallel to zx plane. Actually this model first chapter only, DRs only, this is or introduction part only there. What is the equation of the plane with the distance 3 units on the y-axis? The distance, this intercept meaning what here? Distance, length is given on the y-axis and which is parallel to zx plane. So parallel to zx plane meaning what? So this is y is equal to this is y is equal to 3. So this value becomes, so equation of the plane is answer, equation of the plane is y is equal to formula beta, distance that is, or y is equal to 3 units. Some people they are writing simply y minus 3 is equal to 0. It is also correct. So both are correct. So remember, so this is length meaning distance. Suppose here x-axis given. So answer x is equal to answer that is. So this is important question for 1 mark only this is. This is also 1 mark question. Okay, clear this is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis any given. This is the simple concept. Y is equal to C or y is equal to beta constant. Next we are going to 3 marks questions. So this is also 3 marks problem. So this model very important, but not this problem. Next question is very important. Let us see 9th problem. Find the equation of the plane passing through intersection of 2 planes given. So this is the different forms. So already we have studied 5 different forms. So first one is normal form. Second one, that is r bar minus a bar dot n bar equal to 0. Third form, non-collinear points plane equation. Fourth one, intercept form. Fifth one, this is intersection of 2 planes. Intersection of 2 planes is equal to simplest form, easy convenient form, pi 1 plus lambda times pi 2 is equal to 0. Okay, very easy to solve this problem. So here, firstly I would have take the planes. I consider let planes pi 1 is equal to 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. Pi 2, plane 2, second plane is x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now point is given. Let us take here P is equal to x, y, z. This is 2, 2, 1. Now equation of a plane. Equation of the plane. Formula remember is first plane plus lambda times second plane is equal to 0. So this is the sweetest form model. L1 plus lambda times L2 is equal to 0. Pi 1 plus lambda times pi 2 is equal to 0. Substitute here, very simple. 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times x plus y plus z minus 2 equals 0. So this is the required equation of the plane actually. Here what is the unknown number? Unknown constant is lambda. To determine lambda value, he has given point here. Okay, substitute here point. So point is, what this point lies on the plane. If one passes through, lies meaning satisfying. If one passes through, if one passes through P 2, 2, 1, then what happens? Check up. Substitute here 3 2 is a x, y, z value. 3 2 is 6 minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus lambda times 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 equals 0. So fill x, y, z numbers. Substitute here. Then after simplifying, minus 2 plus 2. Here also minus 2 plus 2 cancelled. This implies 6 minus 4 is 2 plus lambda into 2 plus 1, 3 lambda is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So I got lambda is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, I hope you understand this procedure. Next we are substituting in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. In place of lambda minus 2 by 3, put there 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda value minus 2 divided by 3 bracket x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Can you simplify this one? Okay, very simple now. So cross multiplying. So this becomes 9x minus 3y plus 6z minus 12, open the bracket meaning, open the bracket here, minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z plus 4 will be 0. Simplify, like terms are adding, 9x minus 2x, that will be 7x minus 3y minus 2y minus 5y, 6z minus 2z, that is 4z, minus 12 plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0, which is required equation of the plane, which is required equation of the plane. So this model actually very important model. Remember all of you, equation of a plane passing through line of intersection of two planes. So very important model. Thorough all of you this problem. So remember formula, general formula, that is different form, phi 1 plus lambda times phi 2 is equal to 0. Substitute two planes, then point substituting, find lambda, we get easily equation of a plane. Now I am going to question number 10. Question number 10 is very important problem. I will explain right now. Okay, see here all of you, question number 10. Take the question number 10. Find the vector equation of the plane. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection the intersection of the planes r bar dot 2i plus 2j minus 3k is equal to 7. R bar dot 2i plus 5j plus 3k is equal to 9, and through the point 213. So this is most important question for the 3 marks. So very important question. So how to solve this problem? Okay, find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the 2 planes and passing through the point. So this is almost all related question only. So above problem, this is both are same model. There we solved in Cartesian form, directly in vector form only we have to find out. So let us see, all of you very carefully listen. So mind testing important mainly here. So with mind we have to remember every point one by one step. See here, take the 2 planes like this. Let phi 1 is equal to what? R bar dot 2i plus 2j minus 3k is equal to 7. Phi 2, second plane, R bar dot 2i plus 5j plus 3k is equal to 9. Finally, to find the lambda point is given. P is equal to 213. That is R bar value. X, Y, Z value given. Okay. So equation of the plane formula. Equation of the plane is, what is the plane equation? Phi 1 plus lambda times phi 2, that is in vector form. R bar dot, okay, R bar dot, this is n1 bar plus lambda times n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda times d2. Phi 1 plus lambda times phi 2 is equal to 0. So this is the formula. This is n1 vector, this is n2 vector, plane equation. R bar dot n1 bar is equal to d1. R bar dot n2 bar is equal to d2. Substitute here. We get R bar dot n1 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus lambda times n2 vector 2i plus 5j plus 3k equals d1 7 plus d2 9 into lambda. Okay, hereafter convert in the form. R bar meaning vector r bar is xi general vector plus yj plus zk dot, okay na? Otherwise we can write one more step, no problem. R bar dot, here simplifying, that is what, I vector common, it becomes 2 plus 2 lambda times I cap plus 2 plus 5 lambda into j cap plus, right, in I j k form, minus 3 plus 3 lambda into k is equal to 7 plus 9 lambda. Take as equation number 1. So pi 1 plus lambda times pi 2 equal to 0. Now simplify. What is the r bar? General vector. Let r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Actually 2, 1, 3 x, y, z value. Here substitute that x into y plus y into j. Directly if you want, directly also substitute, no problem. Okay na? This means what is actually this is equal to, point is 2i plus j plus z value 3k. Okay na? R bar value this is only. Substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1, 2i plus j plus 3k dot 2 plus 2 lambda into I plus 2 plus 5 lambda into j plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda into k equals 7 plus 9 lambda. Now product here. So using dot product, multiplying, 2 multiplying here, I dot I is 1. 2 to the 4 plus 4 lambda plus 2 plus 5 lambda plus 3 here, minus 9 plus 9 lambda is equal to 7 plus 9 lambda. Simplifying, find the lambda value. 9 lambda both side cancelled, remaining 4 lambda plus 5 lambda, that is 9 lambda. 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 9 minus 3, taking this side, is equal to 7 plus 3 10. So lambda is equal to 10 divided by 9. So we get lambda value. Where do you substitute in equation 1? So from equation 1, required plane equation find out. So from equation 1, r bar dot 2 plus 2 lambda value 10 by 9, 2 into 10 by 9, 20 divided by 9 into I cap plus 2 times 2 plus 5 into 10 by 9, 50 divided by 9 into j cap plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda, 30 divided by 9 into k cap is equal to 7 plus 9 into 10 by 9, that is 90 divided by 9. Further simplify, r bar dot 9 to the 18, 18 plus 20, 38 divided by 9 into I cap plus 9 to the 18, 18 plus 50, 68 divided by 9 j cap plus 9 into minus 3, minus 27 plus 30, so 3 by 9 k cap is equal to 9 into 7, 63, 63 plus 90, 153 divided by 9. So can you cancel 9? Okay, this is cancel that 9. Throughout here we get r bar dot 38i plus 68j plus 3k is equal to 153, which is required equation of the plane. Which is required equation of the plane? This problem you practice 2 to 3 times on paper. So what to do here? Once again I explain. Consider two planes pi 1 and pi 2, and point is xyz point 2 1 3, that is any point general vector. So equation of the plane in vector form, this is vector form, r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda times n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda times n2 bar. So this is n1 vector, this is n2 vector, n1 n2. Okay, so remember all of you, this is n1, this is n2. Substitute here. So d1 d2. Then arrange like this. Firstly arrange in the form of vector r bar dot I j k. Then after take the any point, that is general vector is 2i plus j plus 3k. Substitute in equation 1. Now dot product applying. If we apply dot product, we remove the I j k vectors, only remaining scalars. Now we get lambda is equal to 10 by 9. Hereafter substitute in the first equation lambda value. Here only substitute that. Simplify, it gives required equation of the plane. Clear? Very, very important. So remaining problems we have to see later. Okay, thank you.